I want to introduce you to Amy and her son Jaden. Jaden is having a meltdown. In fact, this meltdown lasted 2 hours before he was able to get into the car. Amy is exhausted and at her wit's end. She wants to support her son, but she does not know how. In fact, for many parents who have a child with autism, finding the right support is like navigating through a complex maze. Even when parents do access a psychologist, many don't specialise in autism. It can take months to get an appointment, it becomes expensive and time-consuming. What are parents to do at Sunday at 7 o'clock when their child is having a meltdown or suffering debilitating anxiety? Many parents want support. My name is Keiran and I'm the co-founder and CEO of Impact9. My research here at Deakin University has placed me as a world expert in autism and quality of life. With my 11 years of experience and over 20,000 hours working with children, adolescents and adults, I'm in a unique position to understand the opportunities and challenges that autism presents. My co-founder Greg has over 40 years of training and education experience. In fact, he's worked with international companies like 3P and has developed over 400 online training courses. Recent research here in Australia now suggests that 1 in 40 children are likely to be diagnosed with autism. This indicates that just here in Australia, that up to 350,000 parents may need support. To help these parents, we built an EdTech solution where they can go online, access strategies, resources and online training. In fact, since we launched our platform 3 months ago, we've had over 43 parents enrol. Speaking to these parents, they actually want more understanding of how they can access funding for their child. So we're going to make it simple and easy for them. Also speaking to them, they want more consistent support, so we'll be moving to a subscription model. Through our journey here at Spark, we've also realised that health professionals and sporting organisations would also like to support people with autism. That's why we've partnered with Baseball Victoria and Surf Life Saving, for example, who want to train every single coach to have a basic understanding of autism and understanding of how they can use inclusive practices. With our business model, we charge parents per transaction to go online and purchase each course. For organisations like Baseball Victoria, we charge a licence fee, where they can go online and every single coach can access the training. What sets us apart from our competitors is that we provide specific strategies to specific problems. So for a parent who has a child with autism who has difficulty getting their child to sleep, they can go online and access resources and strategies to help their child get a better night's sleep. For organisations like Baseball Victoria, we provide specific solutions around how coaches can make their baseball training more inclusive. If you work for a sporting organisation or are a health professional or teacher, I'd love to speak to you later tonight to see how I can support you. Thank you very much.